Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products so you don't have to. Today, we're diving into the world of robot vacuums, and oh boy, do we have a heavyweight match for you. In the left corner, we have the Shark Matrix Plus 2-in-1 Robot Vacuum and Mop, aka Shark Matrix, priced at a hefty $699. And in the right corner, the Tikom L9000 Robot Vacuum, affectionately known as Tikom L9000, priced at a wallet-friendly $249. Let the battle begin. First up, suction power. Shark Matrix boasts incredible suction and a self-cleaning brush roll. It's like the vacuum equivalent of the Rock. Strong, reliable, and apparently it hates hair as much as I hate Mondays. Reviewers love how it picks up dust and navigates around obstacles, although some mention it struggles a bit with tight corners. On the other hand, Tikom L9000 flexes with a 4,000 pascal suction. Now, I don't know what PA stands for, but it sounds impressive. It's like the vacuum version of a CrossFit champion, strong, efficient, and probably drinks kale smoothies. Reviewers praise its powerful suction and efficient cleaning patterns, making it a favorite among pet owners. Next, mopping technology. Shark Matrix has Sonic Mopping that scrubs 100 times per minute. That's more scrubbing than I do in an entire year, and it promises to tackle stuck-on stains like a pro. Meanwhile, Tikom L9000 also has mopping capabilities with an electronically controlled water pump. It's like having a mini Niagara Falls in your living room but without the tourists. Reviewers note that while Tikom's mop feature is basic, it's effective for quick cleanups, making it a handy addition. Navigation. The Shark Matrix uses 360 degrees LiDAR vision to map your home. It's like having a tiny self-driving car that cleans up after you. Elon Musk, eat your heart out. Reviewers appreciate its ability to map homes and adjust to obstacles. Tikom L9000 also uses LiDAR and can save up to 5 maps. So if you live in a mansion or just like to rearrange your furniture a lot, Tikom's got you covered. It's like having a robot with a photographic memory. Reviewers love its precise navigation and user-friendly app, which allows for room splitting and scheduling. Now, self-emptying. Shark Matrix holds up to 60 days of dirt and debris. That's 2 months of not having to think about vacuuming. It's like the lazy person's dream come true. Reviewers find this feature extremely convenient, making it a set-and-forget device. Tikom L9000, however, doesn't self-empty. So if you're not into manual labor or have a dust allergy, you might want to think twice. But hey, it's a great way to get those extra steps in on your fitness tracker. And finally, the price. Shark Matrix is a whopping $699. That's almost as much as a fancy espresso machine or a really good night out. Tikom L9000 is $249. That's less than a pair of designer jeans or a mediocre night out. So if you're ballin' on a budget, Tikom L9000 might be your new best friend. Reviewers feel that Tikom offers great value for its performance and price. Reviewers generally find the Shark Matrix Plus 2-in-1 Robot Vacuum and Mop to be powerful and adaptive, with high-tech features like self-emptying and sonic mopping. However, it comes at a high price. On the other hand, the Tikom L9000 Robot Vacuum is praised for its efficiency, precise navigation, and affordability, making it a great value for budget-conscious buyers. So who's the winner in this robot vacuum showdown? It depends on what you value more: high-tech features and convenience with the Shark Matrix, or budget-friendly efficiency with the Tikom L9000. But remember, the real winner here is you, smart shoppers, because now you're armed with all the info you need to make a smart purchase. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep shopping smart and vacuuming smarter.